So this is a video of a tree by our place with a whole lot of birds. See all the sparrows? You can probably hear them. They're everywhere in that tree. You can see that one there. You can see quite a few. We feed them on the driveway. They're nice little birds. They're all sparrows, although they sometimes get wax eyes. Anything to say?
Yeah, on the seed down on the drive, you've now got 3 chaffinches, 1 greenfinch, 2 sparrows, 3 sparrows, 4 sparrows.
Yeah, that's where we feed them. That's a greenfinch, I think.
Yep.
There's a chaffinch, the one on the right front, and at the back right is a chaffinch, the one on the left is a greenfinch. There's a chaffinch on the left. So we put the seed down for them, not every day, but quite a few times a week we do it, and we sit on the deck and watch them. We get the seed from different places, it's proper bird seed, and they seem to like it. See, there's quite a few coming in, see them? Oops, they just flew away. That's a greenfinch there in the middle. They'll fly away because there's a car coming. Oh, they didn't. So 2 chaffinches and a sparrow and a greenfinch. Okay, Hamish, anything to say?
No, we're all good.
Okay, we'll leave them to eat their afternoon tea in peace.